Hello guys, my name is Max and you're watching Assignment Experts channel. We're dealing with functions everywhere, in math, physics and other sciences. So it is crucial to know how the function behaves. We need to know the domain and the range of a function. Let's consider the function that we have here. This is a function of the kind the nth root of f of x, where n equals 2k. So we have an even root here. Recall that domain of a function is a set of values of x for which the function is defined. Domain of such a function is found from the system where the first condition is domain of f of x and the second condition is f of x is non-negative. And that's because, as we said, we have an even root. Therefore, the expression under the root sign must be non-negative. Let's construct the system for our case. The first condition is domain of x squared minus 2x plus 1. And the second condition is x squared minus 2x plus 1 is non-negative. This function makes sense for any real x. Therefore, domain of this function is a whole set of real numbers. Now let's consider this inequality. Let's factor it as x minus 1 squared is non-negative. As we can see on the left, we have a squared function. Therefore, it is either equal or greater than 0. So this inequality holds for all the real x's. So again, we have r. And finally, the domain of our function is also r, the whole set of real numbers. Now let's find the range of our function. Recall that the range of a function is a set of values the function can gain. To find the range of our function, let's rewrite our function and factor it as we have here. So we get y of x equals the sixth root of x minus 1 squared. Let's have a closer look at this function. We have x minus 1. On the plane, it's a straight line. As we can see, this function can take any value from negative infinity to infinity. Then we have x minus 1 squared. On the graph, it's a parabola with the vertex on the x-axis. From the graph, it is obvious that this function can take any value from 0 to plus infinity. And as we have the sixth root of x minus 1 squared, this function can also take any value from 0 to plus infinity. So the result is domain of our function is a whole set of real numbers, and the range of our function is a set of non-negative real numbers. Let's sketch a graph of our function. The graph looks like this. As we can see from the graph, indeed, our function is defined for all the real x's, and the function can gain any value from 0 to plus infinity. That's it. Thanks for watching us, guys. Subscribe to our channel for updates. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.